Yes, we request you to be on stage. Akshay Kumar sir, for the first time, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only Akshay Kumar.
Hello everyone. You know, I've got this, I have this speech with me, and it's written in Tamil, so I'm going to try speaking Tamil today. Okay. And I'm sorry if my pronunciation is wrong. I'm really apologize to everyone here if my pronunciation is wrong. It is small, and since 2-3 hours I've been practicing, and I'm actually very scared to do this, but I will do it. Are we ready? All right. Vanakkam Chennai. Magilchi. In the Bollywood Nadi Gargam, once again. In the Bollywood Nadi Gargam Ulagu Arkil. Perum Ugulum Nirantar. Rajni sir. Shankar sir Matrum. And I say, Mahan A.R. Rahman, Avargal Udun 2.0 will. Inavadi Oru Perum Arya Wipe Matrum Magilchi Ungal Ankirkum Nandri. So thank you very much, but I am so honored. I can't tell you, I'm so honored to be here. I cannot express my feelings today after watching everything. And Shankar sir, I have you to thank you for getting me into this movie. And Subhash Kannan, thank you very much for this epic movie you have given us. Thank you everybody here. Thank you.
சார் நீங்கள் பேசின தமிழ் கண்டிப்பாக ஸ்டாச்சு ஆஃப் யூனிட்டியோட பெட்டர் தமிழாகவே இருந்தது, எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது. Now we have a question from a famous actor in Tamil, Vishal. He would like to ask you some question. It will be on screen. Please listen to it and
எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம். 2.0 அது சொன்னாலே வந்து எல்லோருக்கும் ஒரு எதிர்பார்ப்பு ஏற்படுத்தின ஒரு விஷயம். சங்கர் சாரோட மேக்னம் ஆப்பஸ் 2.0 வந்து November 29 ரிலீஸ் ஆக போகுது. இட்ஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த மோஸ்ட் அவைட்டட் ஃபிலிம்ஸ் இன் இந்தியா. சங்கர் சார் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் தமிழ் சினிமா வந்து வேர்ல்ட் மேப்பில் கொண்டு போய் சேர்க்கக்கூடிய ஒரு இயக்குனர். ஸோ அவரோட அடுத்த படைப்பு 2.0 இட்ஸ் கோனா பி கில்லர். பார்த்த விஷுவல்ஸ் இப்போ வரைக்கும் நம்ம பார்த்த மேக்கிங் ஆகட்டும், பார்த்த விஷுவல்ஸ் ஆகட்டும், சூப்பர் ஸ்டார் ரஜினி சாரோட திரைப்படம்னாலே வந்து அன்னைக்கு தான் தீபாவளி, பொங்கல், கிறிஸ்மஸ் எல்லாமே சேர்ந்து வரக்கூடிய ஒரு நாள், பண்டிகை நாள். ஸோ ஐம் லுக்கிங் ஃபார்வர்ட் டு சி என்னோட தலைவர் சூப்பர் ஸ்டார் ரஜினிகாந்த் அவர்கள் என்ன ஒன் ஆஃப் இஸ் மைண்ட் ப்ளோயிங் ரோல்ஸ் சிட்டின்ற அந்த கதாபாத்திரம். ஸோ ஐ விஷ் லைகா ப்ரொடக்ஷன்ஸ், Subhash Karan brother, Karuna Sana, and the entire team and the entire cast and crew of 2.0 all the very best. First day, first show ticket வந்து கன்ஃபார்மாக நான் பிளாக் பண்ணி நான் படத்தை பார்க்க போகிறேன். My question is to Akshay Kumar sir. I hope you know sir, it's not just the Hindi film industry, the entire Indian film industry is aware of your fitness regime and your daily routine. Everyone knows that I've read about your routine in a magazine. It was amazing, unbelievable. I don't think anyone will have so much consistency in maintaining their lifestyle and physique through these years. How do you do it, and what inspires you to keep doing it? Waking up at 5:30 in the morning and working out regularly every day. You've been an inspiration to me. You've been an inspiration to quite a few actors down south. It's just baffling. I just want to know, how do you keep consistently having a regular routine of this sort and not partying or not having a flamboyant lifestyle? I just want to know what makes you go through that routine day in and day out all these years. इतने साल होने के बाद भी आप कैसे मेंटेन कर रहे हैं? I want to know.
This is your time to answer, sir.
Yeah.
Do you go to gym?
Do I go to gym? Yeah, I do go to gym. But I have my own gym. And it's not 5:30. I get up in the morning at 4 o'clock because I've been doing this regularly. My father was in army, and so we've been doing this from childhood. And this lifestyle, actually, I love it. It's not forced on me by my family, not being given to me कि मेरे को करना ही चाहिए, ज़बरदस्ती करना चाहिए, because I enjoy it. I would say, I'm proud to say that there's never been one day in my life that I have not seen the sunrise. I've seen sunrise every day. And I think I'm very lucky to say that. Well, how I keep the consistency is I enjoy each and every day. For me, my body is my temple. And that is what I have followed. My father has taught me. And that is what I'm going to keep on doing it for the rest of my life. And I also know, if Vishal knows about me, and I know about him also, he's on some rice diet. He doesn't eat rice. That's what I heard about him. And it's a great thing. I read about his interview also, one of his interview, that his mother was not happy with his rice diet because he doesn't come home and have dosa and idli. So I would just tell him, at least Vishal, on Sundays, at least you should have it and make your mother happy by eating rice, dosa, idlis. So that should make her happy. And it is good to break your, once in a week, it's good to break it. So that's it. And thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. We have a quick question from one of the fans as well, if you would indulge us just a moment longer. So this one comes in from Kritika. She says, can you tell us about your experience overall on signing your first South Indian film? How challenging or how fun was it?
But it's been a lot of challenging things which I have gone through this film. I've learned a lot. First of all, let me tell you, I've learned so much from the genius, Mr. Shankar, my director. As I always say, he's a scientist, not a director. And I also went through so much when I did my makeup, 3.5 hours. I used to sit down and put my makeup on. And then about 1.5 hours, it used to take to remove the whole makeup. So it was a long procedure of day. And मैंने ज़िंदगी में, I have not put so much makeup what I have done in this film. In my whole life, whatever makeup I must have done, I put it in this film. And I have been in this industry since last 28 years. But it's been a great experience. I just saw myself, and I'm shocked to see this and this whole experience and this epic film, which is going to get released on November 29th. I'm waiting forward, I'm looking forward for it, and I just have to thank Shankar sir for all this, whatever the pain I've gone through, but it has been worth every single pain. That's it.
Thank you so much, sir. Big round of applause for Mr. Akshay Kumar, ladies and gentlemen. We're pretty sure the sacrifice will be well worth it, and we can't wait to watch. Balaji?